So here's a little idea for the Airwick Pure, just a do-it-yourself idea on how to refill it. You can buy these filters online, and when it is completely empty, this one is not completely empty yet, you just pull out this filter on top of the Airwick Pure, pull it out, you put in your essential oil of choice. I choose this one, Pure Fields Scented Oil. And I just filled the Airwick Pure with the new essential oil. You take one filter out and then you are refilling it yourself with an essential oil of your choice, instead of only being able to choose from 3 vapes in the store. So now this is dripping in. And when it's full, I'm gonna place this one inside. So it's refilled, as you can see. Place the filter inside, went very easily. I didn't record a video, sorry. Placed it in, and I cut off the upper part because it was a little bit too long when I would compare it with the previous original one. So I cut off a little bit. And now, voila! And I can, of course, adjust this part here. I find this do-it-yourself trick very handy because I can just choose from whatever smell, fume I would like to have, perfume I would like to have in my house. And I don't have to buy every time a new glass bottle. I can just buy a new filter and put in the essential oil of my choice. So this I wanted to share. Maybe it's useful for you too. And you don't have to buy new refill packages anymore. All right, have a great day.